Hello and welcome to this video of Automation Edge. In this video, we will be showcasing the use case of AD user password reset using a chatbot. So let's see how that works. Let's go to the browser. Now let's enter the URL. So a chatbot can be integrated into different platforms or messengers. In this case, we have integrated it with Facebook Messenger. So let us go ahead and log in. Now that I've entered my details, let us log in. Okay, so now I'm clicking on the bot that will be dealing with our password reset. Let us send a hi message to the bot. Okay, so I have sent hi and we have got a response. Hi there, what do you want to do? So it is giving us two options by default: password reset and register username. But remember, a user must be first registered before requesting for a password reset. Now I can click directly on register username button, but instead of doing that, let me show you how this bot has cognitive abilities, where it uses natural language processing to understand what we are typing. So let's say I send the message register. I'll get a response saying, sure, I can help you there, tell me your AD username and password, and it has given us a template. So it has understood that we want to register the user. Now if I say register me instead, it will still understand the same and give us the same output. Or let's say register my account. There you go, same output. So basically the bot understands the context of what you are typing and responds intelligently to your message. Okay, so now let us go ahead and register the account as per the template. So we have created a demo user here. I'm going to send this message now. Right, so now the bot has understood that we are trying to register a user. So now it is asking us for an AD password with its new template. So let us now enter the password here. In the interest of saving time, I have copied down the password for this user. Let us send this message. Okay, so the bot is now checking the credentials. Great, so the registration was successful. It tells us that we can now request for password reset. Again, you can simply click the button here saying password reset. So we have got the new password for the test user here. Now again, as I mentioned earlier about cognitive abilities, it understands the context. So even if I just send reset, it understands the context is the same and it gives us a new password. Or let's say reset my password. Again, we have a successfully resetted password. Now that we have a new resetted password with us, let us try logging into this user with the new password. So let me do that taking a remote. Okay, so I have entered the credentials for the user. Let me copy the password from here. Let us log in now. So as you can see, we have successfully resetted the password in Active Directory and we are able to log into this user's machine. So there you see test user. So let us log off this machine. So as you saw, it was very easy to reset the password using the Automation Edge chatbot. In this demo use case, it was embedded in Facebook Messenger, but it can be embedded into different chat clients. And with its cognitive abilities as well as speed, resetting password has never been easier. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, you can always visit www.automationedge.com or you can write to us at info@automationedge.com. Thank you.